Did you know a Marine once spent 4 days crawling through enemy jungle without making a single sound? His name was Carlos Hathcock. It was 1969, deep in Vietnam. His mission was to kill a North Vietnamese army general. The man was heavily guarded, surrounded by soldiers at all times. So Hathcock crawled over 1,500 meters of open jungle, inch by inch, for 96 hours straight. Enemy soldiers passed within feet of him. He stopped breathing hard, stopped moving entirely, became part of the ground beneath him. He had no room for error. A snapped twig, a shifted knee, a single cough meant death. He survived on stillness alone. By the time he reached his position, his body was torn apart from the inside. Dehydration, muscle failure. His mind had been running on pure silence for 4 days. He took the shot, one round. Then he crawled back out. The terrifying part is not what he did to the general. It is what he had to do to himself just to get there.